Hi friends, let me show you my new ceiling fan. It has a really pretty design. You will see it when we install it. It comes with the user manual, the way to install it. This is the main unit, the one that goes to the ceiling. Let me show you. Okay, this one goes to the ceiling. Has all the accessories, even some screws to put it. Okay, and then we have the lamp. Okay, goes like this. Okay, as you can see, it's a nice design. Has like 3 tiers, and the light will go on here. So I think it's a nice lamp. It's a lamp that you can use almost everywhere in your home, anywhere in your living room, in any of the sleeping rooms, or in the main entrance, wherever you want to put this nice lamp. Let's install it and see how it looks. We are ready with the lamp. Let me show you how beautiful it looks. We install it here in the entrance of our home, and I think it gives a very, very nice light in our entrance. As you can see, we put a bright light bulb, and even turned off, it looks pretty. Okay? Perfect. You could change the light bulb for a softer one or whatever, but we like this kind of bright, cold light in our entrance. Really recommend this lamp. Thank you.